5. Oh, fuck, I forgot.
Just move.
No, you forgot this. You had
Move,
bench.
bitch.
You were supposed to.
Goddamn.
That's what I was waiting for.
Sorry. Sorry.
I was like, try to get a stab.
He's like,
No, you should have said like killing.
Hey, what?
What? What?
Thanks for your purchase!
Say it again.
No, do it again. Okay.
Thanks for your purchase!
Hey, big boy. Oh, my lord. Want a few more? Oh, sure.
What the fuck? Dude.
Oh, you have friends? I didn't think I did.
Oh shit! Not the first time my gun doesn't fucking
Oh,
work.
this
With
team,
God
all of
damn it.
Decapitated on the floor is basically how it's gonna go. I don't know how you're
I'm
gonna
sorry. He got me with the cube hose on the fucking phone.
Terror drone, attack! It's the thing's not on. Damn it.
Oh, I turned off.
Alright, try it again.
What are you doing?
Sorry, man.
Hey, wait, close the door! Come back!
I think we have everything. We got a problem with you.
Yeah. Oh yeah? What kind of problem?
Some type of problem. We just here to shoot you off.
Let's think about it first, guys.
I kind of just. Oh, okay, I'm done.